storm damage. Hold. Jesus. What? Snapped it right in half. Oh my God. Snapped it right in half. Holy. This thing is totaled here. I mean, look at this. This is huge. It snapped it in half. This thing was snapped in half. Lifted right off the ground.